So the last of the three laws of prospecting is the law of replacement. This is the lifeblood because we have a tendency of like hustling hard, just like we have that need, right? So we're like, oh crap, I got to get as many people as I can ready to go to buy a house. And then boom, you've got all these individuals, and it takes you 30, 60, 90 days, like we've already talked about. The law of replacement. This is the lifeblood because you have to make sure that you're always putting people at that next step in the process, that next step in your pipeline. Do you know in the next 6 months to a year how many people you roughly have for each quarter? And you can dig deeper. How many of those individuals do you know that are going to be monthly? If somebody decides they're not going to buy, it's not they're not going to buy. They're not going to list. You got to replace them with somebody else. And the only way that you can replace these individuals is by prospecting. So I would love to know more about your pipeline. What is it that you're doing? Do you have a big funnel on your whiteboard? Do you have a timeline with little sticky notes that you move along? I know some agents do that where they have a big board in their office and they write the person's name on it and they go from the 30-day to 90-day, and they go all the way out to a whole year, and then sometimes even further than that for people that they know are solid and going to buy or they're going to sell. But there's something about that visual that helps you commit to it and understand that it's real. So take a picture of your board, post it. Let me know about it. Ask questions about how to design one that's going to be appropriate for you and how to manage it. Let's have a conversation again today about it. I really love everybody's participation. We can go from there tomorrow and we'll talk about your next steps.